Okay guys, so today I wanted to make a YouTube video on this puppy's contacts. So contacts are they're where your dog, so in agility, sorry, it's hard to explain. In agility, there's a dog walk, which is right here. This is a mini dog walk. And so what they do is the dogs walk across it, and at the end they have to have their front feet off of it and their back feet on it. So I want to show you kind of what it looks like if any of you guys are into doggy agility. Let's go. So first you're going to need a cue, and my cue is walk it. D, walk it. It's kind of fast. Alright, D. Okay, so I want you guys to see this. No, D. So, it's hard to show. 2 of her front feet right here, stay, are off, and then 2 hind feet are on. And that is what a contact is. D, break. So that's D. So that's her cue word for she's allowed to go anywhere. So I'm going to do it back to where we started. D, walk it. No. Okay, so she overshot, which is a good example, but I put her back on. So that's good. No, stop. Pretty. Sit. Okay, so doing this again. Okay. Ready? 20. Good. So stay. So again, front feet off the board, back feet on the board. That's a perfect contact. See if I can get it from the side. And so, D, break. Here's your treat. So again, break for agility, deep. D. Quit sniffing. D. Break is a word to get them, it's basically like saying free. So that's agility contact. It's pretty crucial to know. And so I'm sorry that I'm just filming her looking around, but I couldn't get the camera to face me. So anyways, so yeah, that is pretty big for agility. You need to know your contacts. There's no certain dog breed, but a bigger dog is good. We kind of hoped D would be bigger, but nah, she's good. She's really good. So I'm going to film her jumping over the swing just for fun. Stay. Okay. Have to get far enough back. Actually, I'm just going to go to the side of the swing. Come on, D. Hope you guys saw that. Anyways, I'm just going to do it again. Come on, D. Good. Sit. Okay. Holy shoot. Huge bug just landed on my arm. That was scary. Sorry, I just dropped the camera. D. Good. Okay. So, I think it would be a good time to show you the horses. Okay, so this is my barn. I know I showed it to you in my video outside puppy tricks, but just in case you didn't see it, I want to show you. Hala. Hi, big boy. Hala. So this is Hala. She's a 19-year-old paint mare, and mare means female horse. Hi, baby. Next up is Rummy. He is 11-year-old quarter horse. Maybe a bay. He's a bit of a jerk, let's just say that. Huh? Then this is my pony, Roxy. She is 4 years old, and she's a pain. Oh, I forgot to say, Hala over there, she's also mixed with quarter horse, so yeah. Anyways, this is Roxy. She's my pony. She's a good girl. Let's go see the chickens. Hi, birds. Okay. So this tan one right here, this is Lily. This black one's Blossom. Red one's Rose. And if you can see that black and white one in the background, right there, behind Rose, that's Fluffy. This one with the crazy afro head, that's Flowerette. The one behind her, right there, that's Petal. Anyways, this one is a Buff Orpington.